Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to yet another insanely sick tool which is called as Masterpiece X. Nvidia and Masterpiece Studios have joined hands and they have launched this really masterful stroke tool which is called as Masterpiece X. With this you can generate a text to 3D AI images, and this tool is aimed at simplifying 3D art creation. This browser-based tool uses generative AI optimized by NVIDIA's Picasso GPU for real-time 3D model generation from text prompts. All you need to do is to write a text prompt and it will generate a 3D model for you, and I will shortly show you how. It is compatible with Blender, Unity and Unreal Engine but is not yet suitable for high fidelity or AAA game asset, but that time is not far away. The great thing about this tool is that you don't need any hardware, you don't need to install any software or plug into your browser or anywhere, and you don't need any machine learning or generative AI skills. All you need is a keyboard, a browser, and your imagination, and that's about it. So let me show you how you can play around with it. First thing you need to do is to go to this website, and I'll drop the link in video's description. The website is masterpiecex.com. Once you are there, click on this white ribbon, which is telling you that it is going to give you some of the free credit, which is huge. And then once you sign up, you can log into this Masterpiece X, and now you want to create a 3D image. There are three quick steps. First, select the model type, whether you want to create a 3D image of this object or animal or human beta. Let me go with first animal. That's it. Now, I just want one model for now, and it takes around 2 to 8 minutes per 3D model. So I'm just going 8 1, and I already have 50 credits. Let me log into it. So I have logged in, and now next step is to add shape detail. Click on shape detail. Now, how you want to describe your shape? I want to say it, okay, it is animal. I'll say goofy dinosaur instead of, it is also providing you help, but I'm just going with goofy dinosaur. Cool. Okay. Now, um, shape style beta, I'm just going to go with balanced for now. Next, click on add paint. Paint is where you describe your image. So, for example, I want to say it. Maybe I will select from here hyper realistic, and then I will say highly detailed, high quality, 4K, and then maybe diffuse diffuse lighting and beautiful and vibrant. Cool. Next, I'll click on generate 3D model, and it is going to generate me a goofy dinosaur 3D image. So you can see that it will take around 2 to 8 minutes, and then we can see our model shortly in the history panel. So let's wait for it to come back. While our model is being generated, let's see what other people have created with it. So for instance, if you scroll down, these are few of the images which have been created by people. Let me select either one of them. Let's go with this futuristic sci-fi space queen, and you can see that someone has created it. This is a 3D image, and then how cool is that? How much detail and everything is there. Now let's check any other cool image. So let's go with this lizard shape. This is quite cool too, and you can see the description here where pet does not look like splotchy, ugly. That is nice. Quite a good detail, and you can see the 3D dimensions here. So you can see that your imagination is the limit. Quite cool. A rusty bucket, and I really like the attention to detail. It looks really cool and quite real. Very nice. and you can, by just using your mouse, you can move this image like this. Quite cool. Nice. Okay, let's go back and check if our image is done. Yep, our image is done. There's a goofy dinosaur. Let me click on it to see how does it look good or not. Yeah, it looks like a dinosaur for sure. And you can just check various things and looks quite rusty to me. I mean, hyper realistic with all the ancient elements in the image. It looks quite cool to me. Okay, let's go back and check few more things on this. You can see that at the top I have 200 credits and you can buy more if you want, but I think for now I'm happy with it. Also remember that once after 20 days this image is going to disappear from here. Okay, now let's create a human now. So click on human and then you can go to add shape detail. In the shape detail you can maybe, let me say, this mythical hero from subcontinent. You can either select from here or you can select from this, and then I'll go with more creative this time, and then I'm going to say add paint, and then once you click here you can select a lot of things from here. I'll say 4K, I'll say art station, elegant, reflections, highly detail, uh, masculine, and I think that is cool. That is more than enough. If I click on advanced setting, it shares what it shouldn't be. So I'll say shouldn't look like an animal, and I'll say ugly, blurry. Okay, not like this. Ugly and low poly. That is cool. Next, add an animation, and I will say bone. First, I'll say bones and animation. Let's go with this one. How does your human move? Gallantly, looking straight, and I'll say walking. Okay, let's go with walking. I'm not sure you would be able to understand what I wrote. Walking is okay. Now let's click on generate 3D model here. Let's wait for it to finish. As I said earlier, it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. While our model is being generated, you can also browse through some of the learning material they have. It is still very, very new. So they have only one video. And in the presence of this video, you don't need this video. On a lighter note, and if you go to their library section from the top, you will see that there are a lot of things which are already there. Some of them I already showed you. And then if you want to go to any section, then you can click here, and then you can see that there are a lot and lot of things as per your own requirement. So you can browse around. There are a lot of things which you can readily use, or you can create your own. Really looks cool. Look at this one. If I open it, it is actually quite nice. The colors are really vibrant on this one. Good. Okay, let's go back to our model to see where is at it. Still working, so let's wait for it to finish. Our 3D model is done. Let me click on it, and it's a subcontinental mythical hero. Looks okay to me. Actually, that's quite funny, I would say. And I don't know why he's looking down, and what the heck is this thing? Is that a tail? Okay, so it's a mythical hero, that is why. Nice. Okay, I think still can be improved, but maybe I would need to improve my text prompt. Anyway, but you can see that how easy it is to use it and create different images and then play around with them. And people already have created a lot of good images, as you can see, line and stuff. So I would highly suggest you to try it out if you feel like it. Looks really cool to me, and it is improving. Still very early days. If you have any comments, please put them below the video. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.